Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Do you guys like my hair? It's a really nice braid out. Don't hate. Anyway, so I came to do kind of like a product review. This isn't a product I've shown you guys. It's something that I picked up at one of the like local farmers markets here in Atlanta. And I just did a braid out on dry hair. I've never had my braid out come out like this. It's always been, you've seen the last braid out I did when my hair was shorter. It just comes out into like a really big afro. There's no really definition, but there's still like definition, but it's also volume. Like you still can see like, and this is me just separate. This is second day hair. I just separated today. And I did fluff it a little bit just to kind of get a shape. But it's like, it's still like a fro, but it's like I have length. And I really, really like that. So the product I used to get this look, I used Botanical Bliss Lemon Meringue Curl Defining Custard. So this is what it's looking like. It's paraben free, sulfate free, and it has no buildup. It defines curls. It's 8 ounces. I got it for $10. I used it for a different style. I recorded it, but I lost the footage. I don't know how, but I did. So I used this much, and my hair feels really soft. This smells like cake. It smells like cake. It's really light. It's a really light consistency. I've never really used a custard, but I really like how this smells. Like it just melts away. So I really like this. She does have a shampoo, conditioner, curl refresher. I did just decide to go with this. I don't think she had a deep conditioner, so I did decide to go with this because it felt so moisturizing, and it is really moisturizing. Like when I first took this out, still is really soft, still is really moisturized, and it's like I've been feeling kind of iffy about my styles, about my moisture, and this really kind of just like really solidified, like, yes, this is the product I need to use all summer 2019. I didn't use a leave-in, I didn't use an oil. It's just all of this. Like, my hair still feels so soft. It doesn't feel dry after being in the sun. Like, I went to work. Like, it feels so, so nice. I'll give you a back view. Turn around. So this is the back. I didn't really separate the front. I did go separating underneath, but like the first like part I didn't separate that much or at all, if that. And then I just picked the roots a little bit, get rid of the parts, and then here you go. Like, so the directions say scoop out a liberal amount, not a dime size amount, not a quarter amount, a liberal amount into the palm of your hand, evenly apply throughout hair, then shingle, twist out, coil, or freestyle. So definitely can use this for wash and go. I did mix it with my wet line, which I may need to get some more because I'm running out. I've been using this a lot, but I mixed it with my wet line and it went really, really well with that. If I can recover the footage from the last protective style I did, which is just 2 braids, then you'll definitely see this product, and then you can just neglect everything I just said. But I definitely give this product a 10 out of 10. Like, 8 ounces goes a long, long way. Like, I still can get like 3 or 4 uses out of this, depending on what style I do. I definitely recommend. I will show you her Instagram and her website, which is www.botanicalblissshop.com. And I'll just put all this down in the description below. So if you want to try it out, you can. She has a wide line of products for natural hair as well as for beards. If you know anybody that wants some beard care, like I really love this product. I would definitely be stocking up on this product, and also trying out her other products. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Click on the bell so you'll be notified every time I post. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.